guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new items that are on the new update on Dress to Impress, the mini update. So first of all, we have this one. The new item is the toggle. It turns it into this really cute dress. Then you have a lot of hairstyles as well here to choose from. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Just going to quickly put on a hairstyle here, and then we also have some new makeup. These 4 ones are new. Oops. Stop. Okay. Then we'll go to the VIP section. There is something new on this fur dress. There's a new toggle that makes the fur more full here, but that's just it for this one. Then we also have this coat here that's also new on, well, in the VIP section. Okay. Then we have some coats here, and I'll put it on the screen as well. We have this first beautiful dress. You can change if you just want to wear the dress, if you just want to wear the sleeves, and you can also adjust the toggle if you want to turn off the glitter. You can also change the colors here. So that's the first one. I'll put the code on the screen. You have this cute bag, which is in the same code as this really cute bow, which you can also toggle here as well. Oh, you can even make it into a choker. That is so adorable. There's just a lot of options you can choose. You can also turn off the glittery stuff on it as well. And for the back, there's also a bunch of toggles for it, which I find really cute. And lastly, we have this item, which I love. I'm also going to put the code here. This is like a sword, I guess, and you can also toggle it to different styles. This is my favorite. You can also turn off the axe as well and just make it into a wand. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.